In the last lecture, we have studied economic load dispatch between different plants in a power system network. So now let us solve some problems based on that. So the first question is, the incremental cost characteristics of a two-plant system are IC1, that is incremental cost 1 is equal to 1 P1 plus 85 rupees per megawatt hour, and IC2 is equal to 1.2 P2 plus 72 rupees per megawatt hour. So you know the format of incremental cost, right? The cost, fuel cost, was in the form alpha pi square plus beta pi plus gamma rupees per hour, and incremental cost is dC1 by dP1. Incremental cost of plant 1 is dC1 by dP1, and it has the form 2 alpha pi plus beta. So that is why these equations are written like this. IC1 and IC2, that is incremental cost of plant 1 and incremental cost of plant 2 are given. dC1 by dP1 and dC2 by dP2 are given. Here P1 and P2 are in megawatt. The loss coefficient matrix in megawatt inverse is given by B is equal to 0.015 minus 0.001 minus 0.001 and 0.02. Compute the optimum scheduling with lambda is equal to 150 rupees per megawatt hour. So we have to calculate the optimum load scheduling. So optimum load scheduling means the power that is to be generated by plant 1 and plant 2 so that total fuel cost is minimum. So for economic load dispatch between different plants in a power system network, the condition that we have derived was Li into dCi by dPi is equal to lambda. So Li is known as penalty factor and dCi by dPi is the incremental cost of plant I. So here we have two plants, plant 1 and plant 2. So as we have two plants, the equation can be written as L1 into dC1 by dP1 is equal to L2 into dC2 by dP2 is equal to lambda. So by solving this equation, we can calculate the value of P1 and P2. So now, what is penalty factor? Penalty factor is Li is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL divided by dou PI. So this is Li. So we can write L1 as 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL divided by dou P1, and L2 is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL divided by dou P2. So in order to calculate L1 and L2, we need to know the equation for PL, the transmission loss PL. So we know how to represent the transmission loss in case of a two-plant power system network. For a two-plant power system network, transmission losses PL is equal to P1 square B11 plus P2 square B22 plus 2 P1 P2 into B12. So here the values of all the B coefficients are directly given, and this is the general expression for transmission loss for a two-plant power system network. So we have already derived this equation, transmission loss as a function of plant generation. So in order to calculate L1 and L2, we need these two terms, dou PL by dou P1 and dou PL by dou P2. So first let us calculate dou PL divided by dou P1, which is equal to So differentiate PL with respect to P1. So this term becomes 2 into P1 into B11. 2 into P1 into B11 plus, so there is no P1 in this term, so derivative will be 0, and this term becomes 2 into P2 into B12. So now we know the value of B11 and B12. So this is B1 and this is B12. So substituting the values, we will get 0.03 P1 minus 0.002 P2. So transmission loss, incremental transmission loss for plant 1 is 0.03 P1 minus 0.002 P2. So this is obtained by substituting values of B11 and B12. So now calculate dou PL by dou P2. So dou PL divided by dou P2 equals, so this is PL, so there is no P2 here, so derivative will be 0. So derivative of this term becomes 2 into P2 into B22. So 2 P2 B22 plus this term becomes 2 into P1 into B12. So by substituting the values of B22 and B12, this is B2, this is B12. So this is B12 and this is B21. B12 and B21 are the same. So substituting the values, we will get 0.04 P2 minus 0.002 P1. So this is dou PL by dou P2. So now use this equation. L1 into dC1 by dP1 is equal to lambda. That is L1 into dC1 by dP1 is equal to lambda. Implies, so what is L1? 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL by dou P1. So 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL by dou P1 is 0.03 P1 minus 0.002 P2. That is L1. This is L1, and L1 into dC1 by dP1 is equal to lambda. So dC1 by dP1. So what is dC1 by dP1? That is incremental cost 1. P1 plus 85. So into P1 plus 85 equals what? Lambda. And lambda is given as 150 rupees per megawatt hour. So this term will be equal to 150. So L1 into dC1 by dP1 is equal to lambda, which will be like this. Now simplify this equation. So we will get P1 plus 85 equals 150 into this term. Taking this term denominator to the right hand side, the equation becomes P1 plus 85 is equal to 150 into this term. The equation becomes P1 plus 85 equals 150 into 1 minus 0.03 P1 minus 0.002 P2. So by simplifying this equation, we will get a linear equation like 5.5 P1 minus 0.3 P2 equals 65. So mark it as equation A. So now go for the second relation. L2 into dC2 by dP2 is equal to lambda. Implies we have L2 as 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL by dou P2. So we have got dou PL by dou P2 like this. So the equation becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL by dou P2. That is 0.04 P2 minus 0.002 P1 into dC2 by dP2. So in the question, dC2 by dP2 is given as 1.2 P2 plus 72. So substituting into 1.2 P2 plus 72. So L2 into dC2 by dP2 is equal to lambda, and lambda is given as 150 rupees per megawatt hour. So now solve this equation, simplify this equation also. We will get 1.2 P2 plus 72 equals 150 into this term, 150 into 1 minus 0.04 P2 minus 0.002 P1. So simplify this equation also. We will get an equation in P1 and P2, which will be 7.2 P2 minus 0.3 P1 equals 78. So mark it as equation number B. So we have now two equations and two unknowns. So we know how to solve these two equations. So solve the equations and find the value of P1 and P2. So by solving equations A and B, we will get P1 as 12.437 megawatt and P2 as 11.35 megawatt. So these are the economic scheduling of load to plant P1, so plant 1 and plant 2. So the question is very easy to solve. We just want to know only one relationship, Li into dCi by dPi is equal to lambda. So dCi by dPi is the incremental cost, which will be directly given in the question. Otherwise, cost function C will be given. So you have to calculate dCi by dPi in that case. And Li is the penalty factor, and it equals 1 divided by 1 minus dou PL by dou PI. So if there are two plants, we have to calculate L1 and L2, and in that we have to calculate dou PL by dou P1 and dou PL by dou P2. So we need equation for transmission loss PL. So write the equation for transmission loss of a two plant system. Thereafter calculate these two derivatives. And after substituting all these terms, we will get two equations in terms of P1 and P2. By solving the equation, we will get the value of P1 and P2. That is economic scheduling of loads to plant 1 and plant 2.